LG AI Research has recently unveiled EXAONE-3.0-7.8B-Instruct, a state-of-the-art bilingual, English and Korean generative model. This model, which boasts 7.8 billion parameters, represents a significant advancement in the field of large language models. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Elite Ledger Media. I'm your host, Mark Johnson, and joining me as always is our expert researcher, Evo Kausen. Evo, how's it going?
Hey Mark, I'm doing great. Thanks for having me. I'm really excited about today's topic, LG's new EXAONE 3.0-7.8B-Instruct. It's a groundbreaking bilingual language model. Ready to dive in?
Absolutely, Evo. So let's get right into it. Recently, LG AI Research unveiled this model which has 7.8 billion parameters. This thing's a beast. It was pre-trained on 8 trillion curated tokens. How impressive is that?
Indeed, Mark, that's just massive. The architecture is quite sophisticated, based on a decoder-only transformer which is aligned with many contemporary LLMs. It supports a context length up to 4,096 tokens. They're using rotary position embeddings and grouped query attention to really push the performance envelope here.
Wow, that's quite the design. And correct me if I'm wrong, Evo, but this model underwent some intense fine-tuning, right? They use supervised fine-tuning and something called direct preference optimization?
Exactly, Mark. Supervised fine-tuning used labeled datasets to refine the model's parameters, making it better at following instructions. Direct preference optimization, or DPO, is pretty novel. This method optimizes the model based on human preferences without needing a reward model. Models like Mixtral 8x7B and Llama 3 have also adopted DPO.
That's fascinating stuff, Evo. Another thing that crossed my mind, how does EXAONE 3.0-7.8B-Instruct perform in benchmarks? How does it stack up against other models?
Good question, Mark. The model has shown highly competitive performance. On the Open LLM Leaderboard 2, it scored impressively. When it comes to real-world use cases in specific domains like math and coding, EXAONE outperformed several baseline models of similar size. For instance, in mathematics, it excelled on benchmarks like GSM-8K and math.
That's really cool. So what are the potential applications for this model? I heard it's quite versatile.
Oh, for sure. One of the significant applications is as a foundation for enterprise AI agents. These can optimize business workflows, improving efficiency and productivity. Moreover, LG is releasing this model for non-commercial research purposes to foster innovation in NLP. It's an exciting development, but we also have to consider ethical implications and limitations. The model, despite its strengths, can sometimes generate inappropriate responses. This is something users need to be cautious about.